guys, this is Bibby on the side of our swimming pool. He's been drinking it, so we might not have any for tomorrow. Any pool for tomorrow, but...
We're just waiting to see if he's going to fall in.
Yes, this is him walking around the side, and we're going to see if he'll fall in.
He's going to pop it.
We're going to see if he'll fall in. He's probably going to get out. Oh, what's that? We'll just film him around the garden for a bit. There he is on the trampoline. There he is. So you can see he's playing around with the dolls.
Oh, he's coming back.
And he's coming back. He just sit down on there, he thinks. Don't pop it, Bibsy. This is the only pool we have. Well, the only good pool we have. The other one's popped by you. Don't pop this one, Bibsy. Don't pop it. Please don't pop it. Don't pop the pool. Don't pop the pool. Please don't pop the pool. Don't pop the pool. Don't pop the pool, Bibsy. Don't pop it. Oh, we nearly fell in then. There he is. Oh, just covered the camera there. There you go. Bibsy. There he goes.
That was lucky.
There he goes to pounce on something. Hey, whee! Yay! He pounced on a stick.
And now he's at it.
Now he's at it. Say bye, Bibsy! Say bye, everybody! Say bye! Say bye! You going in? Oh, there's my shoes. He likes my shoes. I think he's going under my chair. Hello! Bye! So, that was Bibsy in my pool. Bye!